Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. I am Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn 4 kanji in this video. First kanji is Kanji of Man. Second kanji is the Kanji of Mouth. Third is the Kanji of Car. And fourth is the Kanji of Gate, a door. So let's start with the Kanji of Man. This kanji have 2 strokes. We have already shown in this video. You can see, and this is the simplest kanji I have ever seen till now. Let's start with this practice. Ichi, ichi ni. Ichi, ichi ni. Ichi ni. So this is the kanji. This is the pattern how we will make this kanji. And let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is hito, and onyomi of this kanji is jin and nin. So let's move on to the meanings of this kanji. Today we will learn 3 meanings of this kanji. Let's go to the first meaning. Here, if you will write this kanji alone without any prefix or suffix, as you can see here, there's no suffix, there's no prefix, so it would be called as hito, which means a man. It means man, a person. Second meaning is, here we are using it as a prefix, and you can see this kanji I have written here in a kanji. We have learned this kanji in our first video. I'll drop the link in the description of this video of this kanji. So here we have used it as a suffix. Let's go to the meaning of this kanji. It would become ni hon jin. Ni is the here, this is the horn, and jin taken from onyomi, which means a Japanese person. We always jin use to show the nation of a person. We can say Indo-jin, we can say Doitsu-jin, we can say Osutoraria-jin, we can say Chugoku-jin. Here, this is Nihon-jin, which means a Japanese. And the third one is, here also we are using it as a suffix with counting 3. It means san, nin. San is 3 and nin is the onyomi of this kanji, which means 3 people. Let's move to the next kanji. The next kanji is the Kanji of Mouth. This kanji have 3 strokes. You can see here, ichi, ni, san. Let's do some practice to make this kanji. Ichi, ichi ni, san. Ichi ni san. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi ni, san. This is also a simple kanji. In katakana we write ro like this kanji. So let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. The kunyomi of this kanji are Gucci, and you can see Gucci with a dash, which means we will use it as suffix only. Gucci will be used as suffix only. It means something will write here, then we will write Gucci. And onyomi of this kanji is ko. So let's move to the meanings of this kanji. If you are writing this kanji alone without any suffix, without any prefix, you can see here there is no suffix, no prefix. It would be called as kuchi. Kuchi means a mouth. You can see here kuchi. Kuchi means a mouth. Next, here also we have used it as suffix, but we have wrote de before this kanji. It would call de gucci. As I told you that this will be used as suffix only, so here it is used de gucci. De gucci means an exit. Next one is, here also we have used it as suffix and we have written iri. You can see here iri. It would become iri gucci, which means an entrance. And the fourth one is, this is the last kanji which we have read, and this is the new kanji which we are reading. Both are writing here. So here also we have used it as suffix. It would become jinko. Jin is the onyomi of this kanji, and ko is the onyomi of this kanji. So it would become population. This is the meaning of jinko. So this is the kanji of mouth. Let's move to the next kanji. This is the kanji of Karuma. Karuma means car. So this is the kanji of a car. This kanji have 7 strokes. You can see here ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Let's practice. Ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni, san, yon, ichi ni, san, yon, go, ichi ni, san, yon, go, roku. And the final one is ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. This is the kanji of Karuma. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni, san, yon, ichi ni, san, yon, go, ichi ni, san, yon, go, roku, ichi ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. This was the pattern by which we can make this kanji. We can write this kanji. And let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is Karuma, and onyomi of this kanji is sha. Let's move to the meaning. If you are writing this kanji alone without any suffix, you can see here there is no suffix, there is no prefix, so we are writing this kanji alone. It would be called as Karuma. Karuma means a car. Here you can see the final kanji. It is also looking like a chassis of a car. Chassis means body, the down part of a car means where the transmission system lies. So let's move to the next meaning. The next meaning of this, if here we are writing this kanji as a suffix, and before as a prefix we are writing here then. Then also have a different kanji, we'll read about it later. So it would become, if you are writing both these are together, then it would become densha. Densha means a train. And the final is the kanji. Here I have write it with 3 colors. It means there are 3 different words, or there would be 3 different kanji. First one is ji, second one is do, and third is the kanji of Karuma. So it would call ji dosha. Ji dosha means a car, an automobile. So this is the kanji of Karuma. Let's practice of strokes this kanji again. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. So guys, this was the kanji of Karuma, a car. And the final kanji is, today's final kanji is kanji of gate. We can call it door also, in door. So door. Here you can see this is the kanji of gate. This kanji has 8 strokes. Till now, this is the kanji which is having maximum strokes. You can see. Let's move to the strokes of this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. Let's do practice. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, and this is the final kanji. Hachi. This kanji have 8 strokes. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go, roku, ichi ni san yon go, roku nana, ichi ni san yon go, roku nana hachi. This is the final kanji of gate. So let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. This is the kunyomi of this kanji called kado, and the onyomi of this kanji is written in katakana, which is mon, M-O-N, mon. Let's move to the meaning of this kanji. This kanji have 2 meanings in today's video. First one, we are writing it here alone, no suffix, no prefix, so it would call as mon. This is the katakana reading of this kanji. Mon means a gate. You can look at the kanji. This is also looking like a gate. The structure of this kanji is looking like a gate. And the next one is, here there will be two kanjis. Which one is the kanji of Sen, and this is the kanji we are learning right now. The kanji of Sen we will read it later, so that's why I have read it, write it in hiragana only. So Sen, it would call as Sen and Mon. Sen Mon, which means a speciality. A speciality means like you are in a class, you are studying in a class and someone asks to you a special subject, means what is your, in which subject you are special, you are perfect. This is the meaning of this kanji, speciality. So let's move to the strokes of this kanji again. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. So guys, these are the today's kanji. We have learned 4 kanji today. In next video we will learn more. I hope you like this video. Then please do subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends who are having difficulties to learn the kanjis, and don't forget to press the bell icon for live updates. And please also drop your comments for the suggestions and your reviews regarding the videos or the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.